Hello everyone, welcome to something new. Today I will be sharing something exciting about Web3 and we will be discussing a new project on Mee6. So let's go. So guys, Mee6 is the biggest Discord bot. Anybody who is familiar with Discord, who has been using Discord, must know Mee6, right? Because whenever you join any Discord server, there is a bot which welcomes you, and most often it is Mee6. So today we will be discussing a bit about the Discord bot as well, because there are many newcomers as well. So let's move on. So what we need to explore today, we will be introducing the Discord bot. We will be discussing about the Me6 Genesis Pass, which has been launched just recently, and the upcoming utilities which Me6 Genesis Pass will bring for the holders. And then we will discuss about community token platform and many other things. So let's move on. So if we talk about Me6 bot, as I already told you, that it has been used and trusted by 18 million plus servers. So it is huge. It brings a huge community with you. So what Discord bot is doing for you, it helps community owners to manage and grow their Discord servers, right? So how it helps the Discord owners to manage the Discord servers? It provides a set of 20 plugins, right? What these plugins are doing, they are used to handle and automate moderation. Whenever you have opened a Discord server, you need to moderate it, you need to manage it. So what Me6 bot is doing, it is helping the server owners to manage this. They can also manage the roles through Discord bot, manage the members engagement, and also it can connect to different social media networks. So let's see few of the features of Discord bot. So just recently, as I said, that Me6 is a trusted bot, and it has a trusted team behind it. So they launched the Me6 Nft Pass just recently. It has already been minted and it is now available on secondary market OpenSea for buy, right? So what this pass brings for you, this one pass is holds the future Web3 utilities. This one pass gives you many great utilities which you will find very important in the future. So what it brings for you, if you are a holder of this Genesis pass, what it brings, first of all, you will get the airdrop of Me6 token, which will be airdrop to you in the future, right? And then it gives you access to Me6 Web3 plugins. Now there will be some kind of 7, 8 to 9 plugins in pipeline which will be soon released, and these will all be part of the Web3 utilities which will come through Web3 Genesis Pass. Anyone holding this pass will be given access of these Web3 plugins. And also the most important, that you will get 10 free premium bot memberships with this Genesis Pass. Anyone holding this pass can configure premium bot features on their Discord servers for free for a lifetime. And if you hold the NFT, you get it, right? And also you get different kind of perks with this Genesis Pass. You get 50% less transaction fee on the community token platform, which also be launched in the future. We will discuss it just after this. We will discuss the community token platform as well, so you will get to know about it as well. So let's move on to the features of the Web3 plugins, right? So we discussed that this Genesis Pass will give you opportunity to access Web3 plugins. So what we get in those Web3 plugins, these Web3 plugins will be free as long as you hold the NFT, right? NFT pass, okay? And there are up to 9 plugins that are planned to be released in the next 3 to 5 months. That is huge for the Web3 community and those who are trying, who want to configure their Discord server to the next level, right? These Web3 plugins allow any community builder to be able to connect to their community to blockchain, right? These tools will allow the Discord to be connected to the blockchain, right? What you get in these plugins, which currently we have been told by the owners, we will get the Discord wallet verification, right? This is very important. Then we get whitelist management system, also very important for the anyone who is associated with an NFT. He knows that it is very important. NFT profile picture verification, you get the verification of the pictures through NFT through your Discord. NFT gated Discord roles and content. Then you get cross server giveaways and collaboration plugins. That is also very important. You know, it is very important to give giveaways, collaboration with other servers. So it is very important utility as well. And then custom smart contract Discord commands also will be part. So these are few plugins which are in pipeline, which we will be getting in the next 3 to 5 months. And first plugin will be launched in 2 weeks time. So it is a very good time to buy this Genesis Pass, right? So What is community token platform? We discussed that there will be a token which will be airdropped. So what will happen that this community token platform will allows any community to create and sell NFTs or fungible tokens to their members in exchange to the exclusive benefits, right? You just configure within your Discord. You can create and sell your tokens, right? And Me6, what Me6 will do for you? They will handle all the token creation, the templates, smart contracts. They will be creating the web page for communities where they can communicate, and they can also handle the members, and members will be able to mint and exchange the NFTs. So it is huge for the Web3 community. And then you get, at last you will get community platform DEX and marketplace where you can sell and buy your NFTs, right? So this is a huge utility for the Web3 community, and it will be it will be a big change for the Discord. So we talked about Me6 token, right? So with the Me6 Genesis Pass, you will get the token freely airdropped. Now this is also a big opportunity, because if you hold this Me6 Genesis Pass, you will get this airdrop in a month or 2 months time. A snapshot will be taken and you will get the token airdrop, right? So this token is backed by the fee collected on the community token platform, which we already discussed, right? So they will collect some kind of percentage on each transaction as a fee, which go into the treasury wallet that will be controlled by DAO, by the holders of the Me6 token. So it is a great opportunity as well to get the Me6 tokens airdrop for free. And also what you get with your Genesis Pass, you get your access to private alpha server. As we talked about, that Me6 is the most famous bot, right? So it has been used some of the big projects like Doodles, like you name it. There are many projects which are using it. VFriends also using it. So there are many great projects which are using. So what we get access to communicate with all of the owners of these and admins of these projects. This is huge opportunity. And what you can also connect with your like-minded Discord server owner, share your experiences, right? And you can also set up partnerships, right? And you do work together. That is a huge opportunity. You get to know each other, and you get to know the experiences of the others. So this is also the free for all and anyone who holds the Genesis Pass, right? So these are very big opportunities, right? So now, why Me6? We have talked about so many things. So you know that why Me6? It is because it has been trusted by 80 million plus Discord servers, right? So it is a huge number. And Me6, every day 4.5 million commands has been typed of. This is also huge numbers. You can see what you need in an NFT product. You need a trusted team, you need a good utility, right? And you are getting everything in this project. So I don't think so that anybody should wait more, right? They just need to go there and buy the NFT now, right? So there are 200 million plus community members using Me6, right? And you see the business also through Me6 NFT projects. They are getting so much with the help of the Me6, right? So you should join the elite club, right? Just join the Me6 and become the part of shaping the future of Web3, right? So one thing which I want to say at the end, that you should only access through official links, either from their website or from Discord. Join in there, be an active member, and participate with the community and shape the future of the Web3. Be a part of this project, and let's conquer the world, right? So I will be giving the links in the description as well, and also you will be seeing on your screen as well. So just go there. Don't wait. Look, let me share. There are 18 million plus Discord servers which are using Me6 bot, and there are only 4,444 NFTs only. So you can just see that the potential of this NFT, the utility it is bringing, and there are only few which you can get. And currently there is a very cheap price, so you can get in a very cheap price a very good utility. Soon, when they will be launching the first crypto plugin in a week or two time, then you know the price will rise, and it will rise very soon. So thank you all, thank you so much, and I hope you will go there and buy the NFT.